So during the last 12 years, I guess it is, it's been an amazing journey for me personally, and I've had the honour of being asked to teach and share my knowledge of cake decorating at many locations around the world. And travelling around the world and meeting international students is always a great experience. And obviously I do meet some students who can't speak a lot of English, but they can understand a little bit of what I'm saying. And my regular accent, I do speak quite quickly, as we do here in Liverpool. So any students that are watching who are thinking of booking an event, be reassured that I can speak slowly and clearly and help you with your cake decorating, and we can learn at a pace that suits you. The main thing to think about is what we do, as you can see, is very visual in its creative process, and it realistically speaks its own language as I'm piping. So I will interact and give you guidance and support and suggestions, but a lot of it you will be able to see visually. So I think that's something I would like to reassure you of. And also there is an opportunity, as happened in many of our international teaching events, that you may wish to have someone with you during the live streaming one-to-one class who can speak English but can also speak your language, so they can translate what I'm saying to you during your cake decorating online experience. And that's not an issue for me. It's fantastic. You may wish to have a friend present or a family member present. So if that's something that you'd like to discuss, just get in touch with me and we can sort something out, no problem.